Welcome to Viking Appliances. Viking is an American company that has been around since 1987. What is Viking known for? Bringing commercial style appliances into your home. In 1987, Viking launched their commercial style Pro ranges. I'm standing in front of this beautiful 40-inch Pro style range, and I'll tell you what, this would not be out of place in a professional restaurant. And when I think of Viking, I think of an appliance brand that really appeals to the experienced cook because you've got lots of power, it's heavy duty, big chunky handles. And if you want to make like you're working in a restaurant, this is the brand for you. Although Viking is an American brand, they're not afraid to bring an international flair to their line of appliances. We have the Tuscan line. This is beautiful, it's made in Italy. And what I love about the Tuscan line is that you can customize with a host of different colors, knobs, appearances to really help match your kitchen at home. Another commercial feature you'll find in a Viking oven is the French door oven. Beautiful because you're able to get it nice and close with something heavy like a turkey. One of Viking's more whimsical features is the SBL, the sexy blue light. Who is Viking for? Viking's for the homeowner who wants to have a restaurant in their home. You have professional style appliances that are built extra heavy duty. They're going to be very familiar to somebody who is a pro chef.